Guys, I do this every year. I just love planting them. But this is my gungo tree. You see how tall it is? I go pull it down. And watch ya. Watch ya. Look at this. We have blossom and everything. Look at it. Look at that. But every year we get a cold spell, hit them, and I never get nothing from them. But I'm not gonna stop planting them because I love the beauty of them. We call it gungo, pigeon, and the Spanish call it gandules. Just showing you guys a little thing about my little garden. I'm not gonna stop planting it. Love the beauty, nice and thick, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.